So we're back at it, YouTube. Today we're gonna focus on, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this DS18 ProNeo 5 1/4. Say 6 1/2 work better. I do have some, but as later on, I'm not revealing my full system. Just want to do an unboxing of this, and I'm gonna take it off and switch it off with, I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show y'all later. I got some red tips in here. I got red tips all around the doors. We're gonna focus on that, just changing them out, see if there's a difference, and do a little review after. My boy Fred over here, he's gonna be my cameraman. We out here. All right, so we're gonna do this unboxing real quick and see what we got. Of course, DS18 stickers, always. And you got the little, just like the little information on it, pretty much. And this is what it looks like. They're kind of small, man, but it's crazy how much noise they make. 1 1/4, pretty solid. Looks, magnet's not that big, so we'll see how it works. Pretty durable, honestly, pretty strong. And right now I'm gonna go through the process of taking this panel off, and I'll show y'all whenever I take them off so y'all can see the other speak on it. Alright guys, so took the whole door panel off. This is what I got going on right now. Got them on all 4 doors, 5 1/4, red tip, mid ranges. They might sound like they're not good, and they do look kind of small, but it's loud. It's crazy as fuck, man. I do recommend DS18. DS18 always for the win. So right now I'm gonna switch that one out. I'm not gonna show y'all all the process. It's pretty simple, just 4 bolts, take them off. I'm gonna switch them out and then see how it does. But before that, before I switch them out, I'm gonna run a little preview so y'all get to hear this one. I'm gonna cut my subs out so you won't hear a lot of bass, but I'm gonna see how it goes, and I'll get a little preview of what these red tips sound, and then I'll put that one on and do a little preview on that too, so y'all can hopefully hear the difference.
Wanna see you get more sassy and bring out better emotions. She called me a god the way I floated in her ocean. When I floated, I gave her a dose of, she was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up your salary, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, then it's like...
Took this one off. Out with the old and with the new. Let's see what this shit does. So we got it back in. Now let's see if there's a difference. Let's go test this son of a bitch out. By the way, guys, we're in South Texas. We're barely about to be April, and the fucking heat is kicking our ass already. It's hot as fuck, so if I look sweaty as fuck, y'all know why.
Yeah. Made it with nothing, learned to swag out. Yeah. Can't be defeated, I got mad sauce. Yeah. Why would I front like it ain't my fault? Drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turned me on the way she licking on my stones. My chains on antifreeze, it look like I made a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy and bring out better emotions. She called me a god the way I floated in her ocean. Yeah, Jesus Christ, but I wasn't called it the most.
I still got red tips in here, so we're gonna try to see the difference.
Hit it all night, we was drinking and smoking. Drinking and smoking. I done went from GG to BB to LV.
There it is, pretty quick setup. I recommend DS18. I've actually told some of my homeboys to put DS18s in their trucks. If you want to be loud, DS18 is the way to go, honestly. The difference is, I did notice a difference between the red and gray, or the silver tips. Honestly, you pay with what you get for it. These are a little more expensive. Look, if you're trying to be loud, I know there's a few taquaches in here trying to watch, or just any audio heads, whatever, man. I recommend DS18. If you're on a budget, red tips are the way to go. Install 4 red tips on your doors, and you're gonna be loud. Now you hook them up to an amp, you're gonna be sounding pretty damn good on a 4-channel, 5-channel, whatever you decide you get. Invest in an amp and run it off to 4 DS18s or whatever size you get them. Whatever 6 1/2s are the way to go, but I gotta afford them. We gotta work with what we got with. I don't want to mess around too much finding an adapter, drilling it too much into my my door panel. So I just did this from a 6.8 adapter into a 6.5, or I mean 5 1/4. So if you're on a budget, red tips is the way to go. I would definitely recommend that. Now, if you want to invest in a voice amp, go ahead and do it. You're gonna be satisfied at the end of the day. But if you got money and you want to be loud right now, silver tips is the way to go for you. I do recommend it. Now that I've noticed difference in this one, I do have my whole setup. I don't want to reveal that yet. Maybe if people ask for it, I'll probably reveal my whole setup, what I got going on, custom boxes and all that good stuff. But for now, I just wanted to focus on this review because I know there's people out there that want to see the reviews. Just like me, I would go on YouTube and look it up and kind of get an idea, but I'd rather find out for myself. So now that I got this one, I'm gonna put the order in. I'm gonna order the other 3, and then later on, I'm gonna add more speakers or switch them out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The video. I'm gonna put my door panel back. It's a small process, but I'm not gonna waste y'all's time and y'all see me put a door panel back. There's no point in that. But I do recommend these. Silver tips is the way to go. I'm gonna start doing that now. Just replace all the speakers that I got to silver tips. But if, like I said, if you're on a budget, red tips is the way to go. Totally recommend it. You know what they say, DS18 for the win. I confirmed that. There are other brands out there. If you want to come and try it, that's totally on you. But I'm just trying to recommend DS18. So let me know. This is my first video. I don't know if I want to make this into a channel, blogs or something. I want to talk about my truck, whatever. I'm trying to be in the truck scene. I do have a full sound system. Got a few amps running, more speakers, my subs and stuff. If y'all want to see that, if y'all want me to review my whole system, I will. I'll get back to it. Let me know in the comments what kind of stuff y'all want to see. Y'all want to see vlogs with me and my homeboys. I'll do that. I do go to Mex pretty often, so if y'all want to see vlogs in Mexico, that machine, I'll do it. Y'all let me know what kind of y'all like, subscribe, man, and to see where the fuck this takes us, man. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll be back soon.